This section we will be working on padding. Now, what is padding? That's the CSS padding properties are used to generate space around an element content. Just the way we have it in the margin is quite similar. The padding has individual sides. We have the padding top, the padding right, padding bottom, and padding left. So all padding properties can have the following values. We have the length, we have the percentage, and we have the inherit. The padding does not allow auto, just the way the margin allows auto. And also the padding has no negative value, but we all saw that the margin has a negative value to it. So what do we say about the length? The length specifies a padding in unit measurement. So we have the pixel, centimeter, pt, em, etc. So the percentage specifies a padding in percentage of the width of the containing element. Also, the inherit specifies that a padding should be inherited from the parent element. So let's quickly look at what we have in this padding. Now let's go down to our HTML. Now let's quickly use the H1 to do an illustration on the padding. So we have H1, we have the padding, we give it 40 pixel. Now this 40 pixel, we are given the padding for the 4 sides: the padding top, the padding right, the padding bottom, and the padding left. That's for the 4 sides. Okay. Okay, so this is centered initially. So let's take this to the body then. Let's take that to the body. Sorry for that. Okay, so we have a padding surrounding this content. Okay, so the next thing we have to do, we have 50 pixel. Now, using 2 values in the padding, the first value here, which is the 40 pixel, will be for the top and bottom. The 50 pixel will be for the right and the left. If we add one more to this, 75 pixel, one more value, the first value here with 40 pixel will be for the top. The second value, which is the 50 pixel, will be for the right and the left. Now the third value, which is 75 pixel, will be for the bottom. So in case you have 3 values assigned to the padding, that's the way it's going to be styling on each sides. Obviously, if we have this 30 pixel is going to the left. So this is how it's going to look like. 40 pixel we go for the top, 50 pixel we go for the right, 75 pixel we go for the bottom, and 30 pixel we go for the left. So we have it in a clockwise, we have it going clockwise. Okay, so that's it you need to know about the padding. So basically, why are we doing this? We're doing this to explain better to you what the box model will be. So the next session we are going to be working on border. Thank you and see you in our next class.